When most people think about Sun City Hilton Head, of course they think about the $200 million worth of amenities. Of course they think about the 200 plus social clubs that you can join. Of course they think about the calendar daily of 20 to 30 things happening every day. But they also typically think about row upon row upon row of mostly similar homes, all built by Pulte. But a lot of people don't know that inside Sun City Hilton Head, there's a private enclave of beautiful custom homes, larger custom homes on larger lots. And in today's video, we're gonna be touring one of these custom homes, and we're gonna drive around this section known as Riverbend. And if you stay till the end of the video, I'm gonna show you what I feel is the most beautiful place inside Sun City Hilton Head. So if this interests you, stay tuned because we're getting after it right now. All right, Leanne, I can't wait to see this house. After you.
Thank you very much. 17 Cutter Circle.
So thank you so much for taking your time today to show me your listing. This is incredible.
Yeah, I love this house.
This is absolutely beautiful. So I guess just give me the quick specs on this, and then I'd love to look around with you.
Okay, great. It's 4-bedroom, 3-bath.
Okay.
2910 square feet.
Okay.
Built in 2017.
Okay.
So we have 11-foot ceilings in here.
Wow, it feels so big in here, like seriously.
Yeah, that's the most common comment is the high ceilings, the detailed molding, the contrast between the wood floors and the walls.
Yeah, it's beautiful. And what's it priced at right now?
It's at $910.
$910. So for that square footage, and this is a custom home, and I know like if you were to build new construction over in the new section, there's a lot of homes that are coming in at over $1 million, and they're not getting this. I mean, I love selling those. I've sold a ton of them, but if you want something really special that feels like a custom home, but you still want all the amenities of Sun City, like this gets it for you.
Yeah, absolutely. It's a beautiful house.
All right, let's look around. Show me what we have here.
So we do have a foyer. We have a formal dining room, which a lot of people really like that it has its own compartment within the open floor plan. So we have the great room here. We have a kitchen with spacious cabinets, a multi-functional island. And no matter what's going on in the house, you can still be a part of the conversation. That's why a lot of people like the open concept floor plan.
Gas cooking, everybody loves that.
Gas range, easily accessible oven, as raised oven. There's also a serving counter. You can fit 3 seats comfortably here, and it goes to the kitchen nook area.
Yep.
So you have for your casual dining or card playing.
Before we keep going, I'm just curious, what kind of person do you think will buy this house or in this section of Sun City?
I think a person that is very, with this house, someone that appreciates the space that you have.
Yeah.
Any art collector, as you can see from the built-ins over here, there's lots of space for your private collections of art, books, music, if you still do vinyls and stuff like that. I think there's a lot you can do with it as far as the house goes. It can go either way. It's elegant. You can kind of put an artsy, funky vibe onto it. I think someone that appreciates 3 bedrooms on the first floor, which is very important in 55 plus communities. Yeah. There's a room over the garage too, which is nice if you have grandchildren that still make a lot of noise, or if you want to have a dedicated office away from your living area. And I think the proximity to the dock and the water is a big asset.
Yeah. Stay tuned because we might be showing you that later.
Yeah, if you're active senior, you can walk every morning or every evening to the dock and enjoy it. The pool is beside the dock. Yeah. You still have all the access to Sun City, but you're in this really private, beautiful area. Yeah. It's not overly populated.
Let's look out here. This is the 3-season room. So you could be out here having your morning coffee. You could put a TV on the wall if you wanted to watch your games out here or whatever. And it does stay really nice here. And then the backyard is absolutely gorgeous. I see there's a huge area for grilling and hanging out and entertaining. And I personally love the wooded view. Like for me, that's my favorite view in Sun City. You've got lagoons, you've got golf course views, and you have wooded views. And these wooded views are awesome because you're gonna get birds, you're gonna get wildlife, and it's just so private. You don't see any of your neighbors over here.
Right.
It's awesome. And I think, you know, talking about who buys in Riverbend, I get a lot of people that, you know, they want the custom home, but they also want the amenities. You know, they're looking at Berkeley Hall, or they're looking at Belfair, or they're looking at Colleton, but they don't want to spend $20,000, $30,000 a year on an HOA, and they don't want to spend $100,000 buy-in, but they still want that quality of home. They don't necessarily want like a track home. And you know, Sun City's great, and I sell, you know, 30 to 50 of those a year, but it is row after row after row of mostly similar looking houses. And this is something special.
Yeah, it absolutely is.
Okay, so which way is the primary bedroom?
The primary is this way.
Okay.
Down the hall. Now the primary is huge.
Okay. Wow. Look
It is.
at the height of those ceilings.
Tray ceilings. So the detail carries on here with the wall trim.
Yeah.
You have a dedicated sitting room here. So the current owner uses this as her she shed.
Okay.
But it could also be a meditation room, just a place for couples to have morning coffee, read the paper, if anybody does that anymore.
You'd mentioned like a yoga studio would be good in here.
I think it'd be great to have a yoga mat because you could still put, you know, if you wanted to go along video online or do your own routine. I think that's great because, again, you have this lush preserve behind you.
Yeah. All right. Well, I'm curious. Comment down below and tell us, if you were to buy this house, what would you make this room into? All right. So primary bath is over this way?
Yes.
Okay.
And again, we have a huge primary bath. Lots of cabinet space, water closet.
Yep. Private water closet here.
Yeah. Soaking tub, walk-in shower.
I think a lot of people, you know, nowadays, a lot of people say they don't want a bathtub, but me personally, I think you need it in the primary bedroom. Even if you're not going to use it for future resale value, there's so many people that still want them. If you got to soak, if you get banged up playing pickleball and you're a little sore, like it's great to have. And that's a big shower.
I think a soaking tub is good too.
This is big. This is really nice. I like all the built-ins in here.
Yeah, it's quite big.
Okay.
I mean, you could even put more storage in here. You could do double tiers if you want even more, but it's clearly a huge walk-in closet.
All right. So let's go look at the guest wing and then maybe head upstairs after that.
Okay.
All right.
That sounds good. Okay. So again, we were talking about the bedroom separation, which is really nice.
Yeah, you've got the split floor plan, so your guests are on this side of the house. And I like what you said, like having the 3 bedrooms on the main floor. Of course, there's the 4th upstairs, but everybody is going to come visit. You know, if they're coming from New York, New Jersey, Ohio, Pennsylvania, California, your friends are going to want to come stay in Sun City.
Right.
And here they're on the 1st floor. They're not having to go up and down. So
right. They still feel a part of it. So this is one of the guest bedrooms. It's got a huge walk-in closet.
Okay. Yeah, that's big. I mean, for a guest bedroom, like this is awesome, you know?
Right.
Very big.
So the owners could use that and still have a portion for the guests, and you still got great room.
Yeah, I guess if you have a lot of stuff, like some people like a lot of purses and shoes and, you know.
Right.
But a lot of people actually say if they're coming from up north, they're getting rid of all their winter gear, they're getting rid of their coats and all their work clothes that they've had over the past 20, 30 years. And they're having to get like pickleball outfits and golf shoes and, you know, stuff for fun.
Right. I would say don't let go of all your coats.
Okay. And then here we've got a shower tub combo tiled all the way up. So that's really nice.
Yeah. And then the second guest room, they're using that as a den right now.
Okay.
But it still has a nice sized closet.
Yeah. This is big and beautiful view out the back of the house.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, it is.
All right, let's go peek upstairs.
And we do have a linen closet here too,
Okay.
which is nice. Okay, upstairs is the fourth bedroom with its own private bathroom.
Okay.
It can also be a media room or an office.
Yeah, so if you had like a theater up here, that'd be cool. But I can also imagine a lot of people, you know, the kids come visit
Yeah.
and they bring their kids, the grandkids are here. And, you know, sometimes they're a little rambunctious and wild and loud. So here you could put your kids and your grandkids, kind of, they have their own private space up here with their own bathroom, and it's separated from the rest of the family. And if they want to take their time waking up in the morning and, you know, do their thing as a family before they come downstairs and hang out with everybody, it's like a separate part of the house. I think this is really nice.
It is nice.
And of course, another ensuite bath with a fully tiled shower. So this is great. All right.
Spacious.
So one of the things I loved when we pulled up is I saw it has the 2-car garage and a golf cart bay.
Right.
Super cool. So let's go take a peek at that.
Okay.
And so having a golf cart bay, that's one of the most, I guess, most requested things that I hear in Sun City. And a lot of people don't have it. So they're having to shuffle their cars around. They're having to move one car out to get the golf cart if they're parking it in there sideways. So this has its own dedicated golf cart bay. And how important do you think it is to have a golf cart in Sun City?
I think it's extremely important because you're a golf cart away from the new amphitheater,
Yeah.
from the Arts Center.
Okay.
You can also golf cart to Cracker Barrel.
Is it okay if I open one of these so we get some light?
Sure, yeah. But I think even if initially you say, I don't golf, I don't want one, you may eventually find that you prefer this
Yeah.
over a car in parking, and it's just fun, you know.
Yeah, I get that question all the time. People are like, well, why would I take a golf cart when I can just drive my car? And my answer is always, because it's fun.
Yeah,
I mean,
fun.
Look at this thing. This is absolutely beautiful. Like, I could just imagine jumping on this thing, and you've got over $200 million worth of amenities in Sun City, like 8 swimming pools, tennis, 3 golf courses. You've got this huge $60 million amenity center that they're just about to open, which is going to have a 2-story fitness center, an elevated running track that goes around. It's going to have the largest swimming pool in the state of South Carolina, indoor pool, this amphitheater overlooking a 7-acre lake, and they're going to have live entertainment out there. I mean, if you get bored in Sun City, it's kind of your own fault.
Right.
And you can jump on your golf cart. And then the other cool thing about having a golf cart in Sun City, and you know this, is right around the perimeter of Sun City, there's all these little side gates, and the side gates go out to these shopping plazas. And so there's probably over 100 stores that you can access, from grocery stores to, you know, boutiques, restaurants, liquor stores, ice cream parlor,
Yeah.
veterinarian, doctor's offices, and all of it. You can just like jump in your golf cart and go. So that's super cool. Well, thank you so much for taking your time to show me your listing. I know it's going to sell quick, but if this video gets up quickly and it's not sold yet and this interests you, you can reach out to me and I'll schedule a showing with Leanne. She is the listing agent. I am a buyer's agent. I represent buyers here in the South Carolina Lowcountry, but I'm sure it's going to sell really quickly.
Thank you. We're looking forward to spring.
All right. Thank you. Do you want to know everything there is to know about the South Carolina Lowcountry, whether it's Bluffton, Beaufort, Hilton Head Island, or Jasper County? Then subscribe below and tap that bell for notifications so you'll be the first to know every time I put out a new video. My name is David Simcox, host of this channel and a local real estate agent. I get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking to make their move here, and I absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 3 days, 3 months, or even 3 years, give me a call, send me an email, shoot me a text, or you can always book a Zoom call by going to lowcountrylifestylesteam.com. Now let's jump right back into the video. All right, so now we're driving around Riverbend, and I just want to give you a little flavor of what's available in here. As you can see, all of these are custom homes, and they're also bigger homes. So a lot of times, you know, people that want to be in Sun City they don't want that cookie cutter feel. And so this is an alternative option for them. And again, just a flavor, but a lot of these homes are bigger. They have a lot more architectural diversity. A lot of them have 3-car garages or 2-car and a golf cart bay. And believe it or not, in this section known as Riverbend, it's on the Okatie River. So there's actually some houses that are overlooking the river and overlooking the marshes. But if you don't want that sort of cookie cutter feel, and that, not that there's anything wrong with that, but you want to feel like you're in a luxury custom home and you still want access to probably the most amenitized neighborhood in the South Carolina Lowcountry, which is Sun City, this gives you sort of the best of both worlds. And like I mentioned earlier, a lot of times if you want to have a house like this in the South Carolina Lowcountry, you have to be in Berkeley Hall or Belfair or Colleton or Oldfield. And all of these neighborhoods require like $20,000 to $30,000 per year and $100,000 or more in buy-in. And this neighborhood is only, like they're paying the same HOA fee as the rest of Sun City. So depending on, which section of Sun City you live in this section, it's about $2,600 per year. And the transfer fee is 2/3 of 1% plus $3,500 plus a $300 administrative fee. And this is also in Beaufort County. So you're only paying roughly about 0.5% of the purchase price in your annual taxes. So if you really want that luxury home and you want to live in the most amenitized 55 plus community in the southeastern United States, this is a really, really good option. All right, thank you so much for staying till the end of the video. And as promised, I told you if you stayed till the end, I would show you the most beautiful place, in my opinion, in Sun City. This is the dock inside the Riverbend section on the Okatie River. And I think this is just absolutely beautiful. You've got all the Spartina grass out here. You've got the oyster beds. You can fish out here. You could put a kayak in. And of course, I appreciate you watching this video. And if I can help you find your own Lowcountry lifestyle, give me a call, send me an email, shoot me a text, or you can always book a Zoom call by going to lowcountrylifestylesteam.com. I hope to meet you in person at some point, but if not, I hope to at least see you on the next video.